Good day, my name is Mark Malore. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in La Quinta that are facing corporate structure and LLC structure issues, so I thought it helpful to put together a video on some of the issues and distinctions you want to make when forming a corporation or an LLC. There's two issues we have to discuss. One is liability, personal liability for corporate acts or LLC acts. The second is taxation or tax liability for the corporation or LLC. When we look to a corporate entity, we look at the taxation issues. There's two issues we have to discuss. Are we talking about a C corporation or an S corporation? Both are taxed differently. C corporation has a dual taxation methodology, whereas an S corporation has a singular taxation. What do I mean by that? Well, C corporation is taxed dually, first on the income or profits the corporation derives, and then secondarily upon the money that's issued to the stockholders or owners of the corporation, and then the stockholders are taxed on that amount. An S corporation is distinguished from that because it's taxed much like a partnership, and in that case the money flows through the corporation to the individual shareholder, and it's taxed singularly at the shareholder rate on a K-1 that's attached to the 1040 form for the shareholder. An LLC is taxed much like a corporation or partnership, depending on how your tax professional elects to be taxed on the LLC. From a liability perspective, both accomplish the same goal. Both will protect and insulate the individual from corporate liability for corporate acts and LLC liability for a limited liability company acts. The only distinction maybe I would make here is that if a judgment creditor has a judgment against one of the individuals that's part of the corporation, the judgment creditor can attach the stock of that individual debtor. Whereas with an LLC, the judgment creditor can attach the membership shares of the LLC, but rather has to wait till the LLC makes a distribution to the membership shareholder, and then it can attach that. Barring that, the judgment creditor is sort of held at bay. If the LLC never makes a distribution to the membership shareholder, there's really nothing the judgment creditor can do. Those are some of the quick distinctions. If you have some issues that you're facing in wanting to start your own business, or you've got a current business ongoing as a sole proprietorship that you want to make into a corporate entity, please feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to discuss those with you.